This video will show you how to log in to our digital books platform, MackinVia. You could download the app, or you can go on the website, which is what I'll show you now. We're going to the website BACS.MackinVia.com. A student's username and password are the same as they use for the library website. Username will be first name and last initial, and password will be library and the year they graduate. So fourth graders' password, for example, would be library 25. Now you're logged in. Here are a few ways you can look for books. Up here is search resources. This will search everything we have on MackinVia. You could also click on the left-hand side, all resources, and see everything we have. Although, as you can see, that's over 10,000 titles, which might be a lot to browse through. You could also choose to look at groups. These are created by the librarian at BACS, and there are different categories for different grades. It might be a nice place to start. Or on the left-hand side, you could also click categories. These are created by MackinVia and organize books into genres and topics. If you want to click on a title, you can see more about it. The little I means information about that book. Open Now means you can look at that book right now, but you're not checking it out, or you could choose to check it out. I'm going to open it up for information. It'll show you a little bit more about that book, and you could choose to check it out. It tells you how long you'll have it out, which is 2 weeks long. If you want to see what you have checked out, up top is a little backpack icon. Click on that, and you could choose your checkouts. And here's what I have checked out. I'm going to return it. Books will automatically return after 2 weeks unless you renew it. And that's how to use MackinVia.